Hello guys, and welcome to this little video that I'm making. This video is gonna be like a little update about what's going on in my life right now. As some of you people have noticed and also written to me, it's like, Jimmy, where are you? Like, I haven't been active for 4 weeks. So basically what's going on is like 4 weeks ago, 2 days before my summer vacation started, I started having problem like pain in like my jaw area down here. So I instantly knew what it was because one of my wisdom tooth has decided to not stay. Normally a wisdom tooth has to grow up, but my wisdom tooth was laying down and going in towards the other teeth. So yeah, 2 days before my vacation, I had to find a dentist, a specialist that could operate it out because that area is the area down here is where you have a lot of nerves. So yeah, you need someone who knows what they're doing. Otherwise, it's gonna be a lot of mess. And even though the guy that I went to knew what he was doing, it still became a lot of mess because even now, like 4 or 5 weeks later, I still wake up in the morning with pain in my jaw. So yeah, as you can imagine, this was definitely not the best summer vacation I had in my life. A lot of pain, a lot of swelling, a lot of bruising. So yeah, that's basically what's been going on so far. And then yeah, project-wise, right now I have a lot of projects in the pipeline, if you could say so. I have a lot of unfinished things that I want to finish. For example, these Minecraft swords that I promised my nephew. I don't know if he knows, but my brother knows. I have to finish that so he can get it. And the bigger one, I'm not really sure what to do with the other one. The small one was for my nephew. Originally, the big one was for me, but I don't really know what I have to do with a Minecraft sword, so I might as well give my other nephew that one. I don't know. And then other than that, I am trying to finish, it's been... Yeah, now I'm gonna sit down. Right now, I'm working on a project for a guy called Steven, and he's trying to become a fashion designer in Italy. So he's taking some kind of education. And he reached out to me asking if I could help him with trying to make some 3D prints for his bags, shoe, glasses, and some other stuff. So yeah, I have tried to experiment for the first time with a 3D scanner. That's why you can see here, the bag has a lot of white dots on it. That's basically what you use when you have to 3D scan. And then over here, you have this board that you can put it on, and yeah, then you can make a 3D scan. So luckily, I don't have a 3D scanner, right? But luckily, I know some people that had one. So I reached out and asked, hey, can I borrow a 3D scanner? So yeah, they borrowed me this 3D scanner from a company called Peel. I'm not really sure if they're still active because I tried... The first day I had to try to go to their website. The website didn't work. So, and by the way, I realized I'm looking at myself. I'm supposed to look into the lens, but this is gonna be like a one-take video just to give you an update. But yeah, let me show you the 3D scanner here. If I know how to open it. Yeah. Oui. Trouble. Wait, 2 seconds. I need my other hand. Sorry. There we go. So, this is basically how the 3D scanner look. I think it's kind of like an old style 3D scanner now. This is one of their first models. Nowadays they look different. And I think you have a lot more lenses. This scanner can do tolerances at 0.5 millimeter. So it's not really good for small details, I found out, because I tried to do some scans on small things. And yeah, that didn't really work out. And as you can see here, my now currently setup is the 3D printers from the Bambu Lab. 2 P1S and 1 carbon, X1 carbon, yeah. And down here we have a little Prusa Mini that I honestly, I don't really use it anymore. Ever since I started making trouble, I mean, I'm the kind of person, I don't want 3D prints to make trouble. I don't want to always have to deal with fixing them and all that shit. I just want things that works, you know. I don't have time for that. I'm a designer in the way that I create designs, and I just want to test to be able to print them and test them. So if it doesn't work, I don't want it. So yeah, and another update on a other recent project that I did. You know, this drawer that I recently uploaded. Sorry, I'm getting out of breath. I don't know why. Too much talking, too much moving. Yeah, I made this drawer available for download, and it's been going pretty well. A lot of people have had interest in downloading, and yeah, it's been both on MakerWorld, Pinterest, yeah, and then a little bit of YouTube. But yeah, big success, I think. I had a lot of downloads. If you're wondering what these boxes are, it's from the bag that you showed before. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a little update about what's going on in my life. And this is basically right now how it's looking. Look at all that filament over there. Holy shit. I don't know what to do with all my filament. Like, it's just stacking up. And I even have to order more now. So basically most of the 3D print that I have to print for the bag, I want to try and make it in TPU, the flexible one. I don't have too much experience with it. I've only tried to do some test prints so far. So yeah, I hope that's gonna work out really well. Actually today I was supposed to work on the project, but I wanted to use the company computer that I have and use the program SolidWorks, but for some reason we had issues with the license, so I couldn't really do anything. So then I decided to go home and film these wonderful videos for you guys. So yeah. Thank you for watching the video, and see you later in other videos in the future. Bye bye, take care. Ciao.